Hi, my name is Tyler Reagan. I am a Director of Patient Engagement and Advocacy at Neurocrine Biosciences, a neuroscience-focused biopharmaceutical company based in San Diego. Here at Neurocrine Biosciences, our purpose is simple: to relieve suffering for people with great needs but few options. Every day, our team strives to discover, develop, and ensure patient access to new medicines that treat debilitating diseases and disorders. We are proud and honored to be a part of the Autism Tree Project Foundation's annual Neuroscience Conference, where we look forward to hearing about others' research, sharing information about our epilepsy programs, and fostering connections across the neuroscience community. Our teams embrace opportunities like this to engage with, learn from, and earn the trust of the people we serve. And we are grateful to the Autism Tree Project Foundation for their partnership. San Diego is a center of innovation and one of the country's largest and most vibrant biotech hubs, and we are proud to call it home. On behalf of my colleagues at Neurocrine Biosciences, thank you for your commitment to patients with neurological disorders. We look forward to connecting with like-minded individuals at this year's event because you deserve brave science.